Salt is a solid, although it can change its state of matter. It can dissolve in water, and it can also return to its natural state when the water evaporates. The scientific name for salt is sodium chloride. A salt particle is made up of sodium, which is a positive ion, and chloride, which is a negative ion. Water molecules contain both positive and negative ions. These ions are very small, so to show this, we have used counters, which are much bigger, to represent the ions so you can see how salt can change its state in water and return to its natural state through evaporation. We have used blue counters to represent the positive ions in water and green ones to represent the negative ions. The yellow counters represent the positive sodium ion of salt, and the white counters are the negative chloride ions. Because salt is a solid and heavier than water, it will naturally fall towards the bottom when poured into water. You can see though that some of the salt ions attach to the water ions on the way down. When you stir the water, this dissolves the rest of the salt. We have demonstrated this by showing the positive sodium ions using the yellow counters, attaching to the negative water ions, which are the green counters, and the negative chloride ions, the white counters, attaching to the positive water ions, which are the blue counters. Evaporation is the process by which water changes from a liquid to a vapor or a gas. The speed at which the water evaporates depends on its temperature. The warmer it is, the quicker the water evaporates. Salt is a solid and doesn't evaporate. So as we have demonstrated here with our very large ions, the water, the blue and green counters, turn into vapor and escape into the atmosphere. Once all the water has evaporated, the salt, or sodium chloride, the yellow and white counters, are left behind.